Today, I'm going to teach you how to translate messages in Microsoft Teams. This is an incredibly useful feature when you're collaborating with international team members or working across different language barriers, allowing you to understand messages instantly without leaving the conversation. Let's start by opening Microsoft Teams and directing your attention to the left side navigation panel. Here, you'll see several options for navigating through the app. Click on Chat. This will take you to your messaging hub where all your conversations are stored. Once you're in the chat section, scroll through your conversations and find the one that contains the message you want to translate. This could be a one-on-one conversation or a group chat depending on where the message was sent. Now that you've located the conversation, find the specific message within that chat thread that you need translated. Once you've identified it, right-click directly on that message. A context menu will pop up with various options for interacting with the message. From this menu, look for and click on Translation. This option is specifically designed to help you understand messages written in different languages, making cross-cultural communication much smoother and more efficient. After clicking Translation, you'll see another prompt appear. Here, go ahead and click Translate. This final action triggers Microsoft Teams' translation feature, which will instantly convert the message into your default language or the language you've set in your preferences. The translation will appear either as an overlay or replacement of the original text depending on your Teams settings, allowing you to read and understand the content immediately. And there you have it, you've successfully translated a message in Microsoft Teams, breaking down language barriers and ensuring clear communication with colleagues around the world. This feature is particularly valuable in multinational organizations or when working with clients and partners who speak different languages. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.